So today we shall be starting unitary method. Okay, unitary method. Where is unitary method? Unitary method is here. Chapter 13. Yes, unitary method 115. Okay, 115. And in this 115, what do we find? The most important thing over here, you can see this unitary method, where the method in which we first find the value of one single quantity. Simple. See, the method in which we find the value of one single quantity and then use it to find the value of many other quantities is called your unitary method. And the most important thing is that there are two kind of variations, direct and indirect variations, but we shall mostly concentrate on this direct variation. We shall mostly concentrate on this direct variation, where it means that if on one side the value increases, the other side also the value will increase, and on one side if the value will decrease, the other side also the value will decrease. So you can say we shall be learning only the basics of this unitary method. Okay, so you can say first we shall do exercise 13a and then we shall continue to exercise 13b. Therefore stay tuned and let's start our class. I hope your previous the previous video, not video, say lecture. I don't like the word video. So the previous lecture on exercise 13a was quite interesting. Okay, in which you got the basic idea of unitary method. Now in exercise 13b, it is just the continuation. Nothing different is there, because see in the first exercise also we learnt about direct variation. Here also direct variation, and I had told you what is direct variation, that on one side if the value increases, the other side also the value will increase, and if on one side the value decreases, the other side the value will decrease. So I think that we shall finish this exercise, that is 13b, very soon. Exercise 13b number 1 and 2 I won't do. It's very simple, because the sums are based on exercise 13a. I shall better continue from number 3, okay, and quickly try to complete it. See, because even you people, very few of you can say like to watch the, when you are watching the video, try to watch the entire video. You know why? Because that will get locked in your brain. Always that will, see, this is not only audio, it is visual also. So audio visual things always gets locked into your brain. That is why keep on viewing it a number of times. Okay, so in number 3, what they have, Geeta Ji typed 108 words in 6 minutes. How many words would she type in half an hour? So they are asking you the number of words. Okay, so they are asking you the number of words. So as I told you that if you are being asked to find the number of words, that should be on the RHS, on the right hand side. In the previous video I said right hand side and wrote LHS. Come, now I have known that this is my right hand side. Number 3, Geeta. So the number of words should be on my right hand side. So I'll start in this way. In 6 minutes, in 6 minutes, the number of words typed will be equal to how much? What will be equal to? Is equal to, Geeta is typing. Why am I talking in future tense? Will be 108. Therefore in 1 minute, come on, I'll throw this pen. In 1 minute, the number of words, 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 will be less 108 by 6. Okay, so in half hour, so in half hour means what? In 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, the number of words typed will be equal to 108 by 6 times 30. Am I right? Yes. 6 5 times. Shall we multiply? And we'll get 540 words. Good. Our typing speed is quite good. Not bad. Moving on to, where is my pen? I threw it and now I'm looking for my pen. Come to number 4. Moving on to number 4, what we have? In 24 days, the temperature dropped 18 degrees Celsius. In the last 24 days, if the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how many degrees? I mean, see, the sum is small and they have just dragged chewing gum. Have you seen chewing gum? Okay. This is just small in size and you keep on dragging it as many. You tell one of your friend that you take it to the next room and the chewing gum will reach your, you can say, next room, and one of the end will be in your mouth. It's the same kind of question. Okay. So in 24 days, okay. I love to speak all this. You know why? Because sometimes they think that we are fools. In 24 days, the temperature drops, okay, by 18 degrees Celsius. Fine. So in one day, the temperature will drop by, naturally, 18 by 24 degrees Celsius. In 18 days, because see, the drop is constant, no? So the temperature will drop how much? 18 by 24 times 18. So when you will solve it, 6 3s are 6, 6 4s are now what? 2 times 2 9 times 27 by 2 will give you how much? 13.5 degree Celsius. Okay, 13.5 degree Celsius will be the temperature drop in 18 days. कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया? ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं है. Coming back to number 5. Number 5, Mr. Chopra pays 12000 as rent in 3 months. Let us find the rent of 1 month. Book कब का बना हुआ था भाई? Let me see. These are the old sums. That is why now he will get, you can say, the rent in this price. Cannot. So for 3 months, 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 rent paid is equal to how much? Rupees 12,000. So for 1 month, the rent paid will be naturally 12000 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 000. Okay, and my children, they said, sir, this is very cheap. You know, we are paying 10,000. Well, okay, you are paying. You are not Mr. Chopra. For a year. For 1 year. For 1 year. So 1 year means how much? 1 year means 12 months. The rent paid will be 12 times. 12 times 4,000. So 12 times 4,000 will be equal to 48,000 rupees. You have to write the unit. Okay? Come. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 1188 kilometers. Okay. See, they have not used petrol because truck generally runs on diesel. So these are these little things that we should learn while solving the sums. So the truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering 1188 kilometers. How much diesel? Again, see, they are asking you DI spelling DIESEL. They are asking you diesel. So the diesel should be on your right hand side. So what should be our statement? For covering 1188 kilometers, the diesel, DIESEL, required is 108 liters. So for 1 kilometer, diesel required will be 108 by 1188 liters. Okay, both come. So for 3300 kilometers, diesel required will be 108 by 1188 times 3300. Now totally depends upon cancellation and nothing else. Okay, and they are not your enemies. See, 11 1 times 11, 8s are 88. This is the mistake that everyone will do. Okay, here, oh my god, since you here you are again, see, nothing is in its proper place. You will have to put 1 0 over here because you are taking 2 digits at once. 11 3s are 0 0. Okay, 108 108, oh my god, is equal to, oh my god, is a film also, OMG, 300 liters. Moving on to number 7. Shall we do number 7? We should. Okay, 7. At least we'll learn something, At least we'll learn something. Now, many of you will say, sir, I know I can do it myself. I know many of you can do it yourself, but there are many who really need my help. If a deposit of rupees 2000 earns an interest of rupees 500, see, here they are talking about interest. Okay, INTEREST. Interest. What is this interest? Interest is the amount of extra money. Okay, it is the extra money that you get, that the bank gives you for depositing money. For depositing money. But if you are depositing, that the interest is will be your profit. But if you will take loan from the bank, the interest, they will charge interest. That will be their profit. Okay, come on. So here in number 7, a deposit of rupees, let me change my pen. A deposit, DEPOSIT, deposit of rupees 2000, for 3 years, okay, gives interest, TEREST, how much? Rupees 500. Very good. So if 1 rupee is deposited for 3 years, so the interest will be equal to how much? Will be equal to 500 by 2000. Simple. Less interest, so I divided it. Don't you use your brain, you can say too much. So when he is depositing rupees 36,000 for 3 years, that will give them the interest of how much? Interest will be INTEREST will be 5,000. Why 5,000? 500 na. Otherwise he will become a bankrupt. 36000. Let us cancel this 00. Okay. To how many times? How much will you get? 9,000 rupees, 9,000 as interest for, because see, of course, see, you can see this is direct variation. On one side, on the you can say on the left hand side, the value increases, so naturally the interest will also increase. If on this side, see, the value is less, so on this side also the value is less. So this is direct variation. Try to understand this. Okay, moving on to number 8. Just few sums, my dear. In number 8, John walks 250 steps to cover a distance of 200 meters. Okay, John, for for 250 steps, 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 for 250 steps, okay, distance is equal to 200 meters. Fine. So for one step, the distance will be less, 200 by 250. Okay. Now, for 350 steps, 350 steps, the distance will be how much? It's very simple. 200 by 200 by 250 times 350. So let's cancel this. Let's do some cancellation work. And here you get how many times? 25 4 4 8. 8 times 8 times 35. How much? 280 meter. Very simple. See, nothing is there. Okay. See, two more sums are there. So why don't you people, okay, stay tuned. Okay. In 25 meters, 25 meters of cloth costs rupees this much. What will be the cost of 20 meter of cloth of the same type? Isn't it? See here. What are they asking you? They are asking you what will be the cost of. They are asking you the cost. So cost should be on your right hand side on this side. Okay. They are asking you the cost. So cost should be on the right hand side. So how shall we start? Why to start? Is they have given you in proper order only. Okay. So come on. So for 25 meters of, or you can directly write 25 meters of cloth costs rupees 1012.50. So 1 meter of cloth will cost how much? Of course, less, divided by 25. No issue. What will be the cost of 20 meters of cloth? Okay, 20 meters of cloth. So 20 meters of cloth will cost how much? 1012.50 by 25 into 20. These simple calculations you can do it yourself, isn't it? Okay. Now let's see. 5 4s are 5 5s are, and then 5 how many times? 5 2 times 10. 5 2 times 10. See, I have put a 0 over here, isn't it? Okay. And then 5 5 times 25. 202.5 into 4. How much are you going to get it? Let me see. 5 4s are 20. 4 2s are 8 9 10. 810 rupees 810 when you will multiply these two. Now in the second part, again second part is just the reverse. Okay, reverse, when the car goes in the reverse direction, how many meters of cloth? So we'll start from this side. For rupees this much, cost is, you can say the length of cloth is 25 meter. So for rupees 1620 you find it. Okay, moving on to 10, the last one. In a particular week, a man works for 48 hours and earns this much, but in the next week he earns less. How much has he earned? So again they are asking you the amount of money. Okay, so let's start. In 48 hours, money earned is equal to rupees 4320. Okay, in 48 hours this much money is earned. So in 1 hour, what do you expect? To earn more or less? Naturally less. So 6 hours less. They are saying that for 6, instead of directly saying 42 hours, they are saying 6 hours less. See? So 6 hours less means they are talking about 42 hours. So in 42 hours, money earned will be 4320 by 48 times 42. Yes or no? 6 7 times. 6 8s are 48. Shall we? And 8 how many times? 8 how many times? 8 5 4 0. And when you multiply 540 into 7, you will get rupees. is rupees 3780 as your final solution. If you get something extra, then what can I say? Then you will tell me, sir, you were wrong. Keep watching it. Thank you for viewing till the end.